Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll see how we can create a video views campaign inside the Quora Ads platform. So once we log into the account, we can start building out a new campaign. Now this will be for video views. So the idea is we want to make sure that our video ads are being watched maximum number of times. So that is what we want for maximize video views. And now what you can do is you can build out the campaign by giving the maximum daily budget and then schedule the campaign. Next is going to be the ad set name. So you can give the name of the ad set over here and choose your location targeting. Once we do that, we can also do gender targeting, and then we can do various kinds of audience targeting as well out here. So let's say we are doing topics targeting, which is related to digital marketing here. In this manner, you can select those. Then comes the bidding part. So in this, we are choosing standard bidding. So this is going to be for video views. So you can see it automatically selects for optimizes for video views. So this is what we are going to pay for. Okay. And we can set the bid over here. Next is going to be the video ad creation part. So this is where you can go ahead and give all the details. So the business name, and then we can give the headline. And then you can give a call to action and choose your video. So now this is how the video ad is going to look like, as you can see over here, okay, on desktop and similarly on mobile as well. Once the ad is built out, then we can lastly give our landing page URL where people will land when they click on the sign up button. And then you can create the whole campaign out. So this is how a video views campaign can be built on the Quora Ads platform. This is the campaign, guys, which we have built up right now. Thank you guys for listening to this, and I will see you in the next video.